Oh my God, si Egypt. Hi! Hi, guys. Hi! Oh my gosh, I don't remember the last time I did a live. When was the last time? Not sure. Hi! Hello po. Good evening. Wow, ang daming active talaga sa gabi. Grabe na to. Hi, good evening. Oh, wait, sorry guys, my arm is like having cramps. Wow, in English pa. Cute penguin. Yes, this is always my penguin, guys. Hindi nawawala si Mr. Penguin sa live na to. Oh, it's your exam? Oh my gosh, good luck. Madaming may exam ngayon in fairness, Holy Week. Wala kaming pasok bukas. Tapos, asynchronous kami ngayon. So, it's okay. Hi, Sean. Actually, I'm not sure. Not sure if that's... I don't think so. What are your plans this Holy Week? What am I... Wait, let me think. What am I doing this Holy Week? Actually, I don't know. Pero bukas, I'm gonna go out with a friend. Yes, may gagawin na kami bukas. Gala-gala lang. Exam! Grabe naman kayo. It's exam week pa. Good luck. Sa mga mag-exam, good luck. Hi, Lee. Hi. What? I don't remember. I think you got your penguin from... Oh, it is from Miniso. Oh, wow! Ang galing yun na. Hindi ko alam na galing saan na Miniso. Whoa, wait. Oh my god. I swallowed my own saliva. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's from Miniso. I love penguins. Oh, you know, I went to Miniso kanina. I saw so many penguins. Apaka-cute ng mga penguin. Kaso wala akong pera, kaya hindi ko tuloy nabili. Pero, it's so cute. There was one penguin with like a onesie na panda. That was my favorite. But then I also like the big plushie na blue. But yeah. Pose? Okay, wait. Bro, Leve changed my life. See? Leve! Guys, stan Leve for a better life. Grabe. Di ba ang galing niya? It's good. Mabuti na influence ka sa sa Leve Lee. It's amazing. Guys, you should stan Leve for a better life. Anyways. Miss you, Selena. I miss you guys too. I don't remember. Kailan ba ulit ako nag-live? Feb ba ako nag-live? Hindi ako sure. Feb? Baka Feb. Feeling ko Feb yung last kong live. Kaya, parang tagal ko hindi nag-live. Yeah, I know! She got a... I'm so happy for her. Nung nakita ko yun sa, sa feed ko, ang saya-saya ko. Ganda mate. Thank you. Thank you so much. What was I supposed to talk about? Tamang nalimutan ko na. Ang cute ng penguin. Thank you. Hindi nakakapagsalita si Mr. Penguin. Kaso feeling ko nagti-thank you naman yan. I have more plushies in the back, but... Wait. Okay. Man, my bag's right there. What's your favorite Levy song? Oh my god, I don't know. Wait. Let me think muna. Hindi naman dito lang makapili. Wait lang. Tuloy ako. Di ko Wait. Dreamer. Dreamer is really good. Promise. Oh, I made Promise my song for my lyrical dance. It's really good. Masyado kong nagustuhan yung Leve. Or yung Promise pala. But Dreamer is really good. How's your day naman? It was okay actually. Not a good day naman. My mom and I did tennis today. Ang bigat! Ang bigat! Hindi ko alam, nalimutan ko na kung ano yung mas mabigat. Yung raketa mismo or yung bola. Kaso talaga nabigatan talaga ako. ngayon nagkaka-cramps ng konti talaga yung kamay ko. And look at that. Yeah! There's a patch on it. But yeah. Yeah, it's hard to pick a lady song all the time. But see? It's so hard. And I have a lot? Wait. Wait, hindi a lot. I have majority of her songs sa, playlist ko. I don't know if all of them are on my playlist. Probably all of them. Feeling ko naman. Kasi grabe. I still remember. Yeah, I don't know your faces, but I remember naman the accounts. Salampaswa naman. Yeah. Guys, it's amazing. I love this. Nakakatulong talaga siya. Saan kaya kakala this Holy Week? Bukas magmumall lang kami. The rest of the days, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Baka mag-volleyball kami ni Mama. Hindi kami nakapag-volleyball ngayon. I'm sad. Because volleyball is so fun. I have been wanting to go to EK. Should go to EK. It's so fun. So guys, this is my time to promote. Wow! May ganon! Wait, you guys can watch SMS at Enchanted Kingdom. No. Every Friday, Saturdays, Sundays, and also holidays. And then usually our show is 4 and 5 p.m. Pero you guys can join our broadcast channel. Usually sinasabi naman namin yung time kung kailan kami mag-show kasi pag minsan nagbabago siya. But then yeah. Yun lang. Good trip po namin. Sabado is Saturday, right? Wait. Wait. Oh my god. Yeah, it's Saturday. Saturday. Oh wow, well then it's nice that you guys watch. Ang daming nagfi-field trip sa EK ngayon. Kaya parang kapag weekends, honestly, I didn't know this. Madami palang nagfi-field trip pag weekends. Kasi dati akala ko puro weekdays lang pag ganon. Yeah. Yeah. Yun lang. Ay! Mr. Penguin. Sorry. Yeah, I missed them too. It's gonna sila. Actually, kaka-message ko lang kay Charlie kanina. Kanina ba yun? Or kahapon? Yeah. Na-miss ko mag-iingay sa live mo. Tagal ko na din kasi hindi nagla-live. Kaya ganun. Sorry naman. I missed you guys. My hair is so straight today. Ano ba yan? Sorry guys. Shadow nako-conscious yan sa hair ko. It's super straight. Nakapagpa-picture po kami sa inyo. Oh, really? Oh. Baka I just don't remember the account. But if you did, wow. Wow. Kaya kasi pupunta kami EK. Oh, sure. Oh, I don't remember that. I'm sorry. January 25? Wow, that's like a month back. I don't remember na po. I'm sorry. Ate, what's your favorite animal color? My favorite animal? Wow, wait. Probably a dog, a bunny, or a penguin. This, so cute. Pero dati I used to like ducks. I don't know why. Ang random, diba? Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit ducks. Pero ngayon, penguin, bunny, or dog. Tapos, color, yellow. That's why, sa aming lima, iba-iba kami ng color. Sa Tizay, wait, ito na ako. Kailangan ko kabisado yan. Sa Tizay, purple. Sa Ion, pink. At Joy is green. At Yana's yellow. And then I am yellow. Oh, wait. At Yana's blue. And then I'm yellow. Wait, did I say yellow? For Atiana, anyways, I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna talk about Ariana here. I haven't listened to her whole album. Guys, sorry na, hindi ko pa napapakinggan. I haven't listened to it. But, I keep hearing it sa feed ko. I keep hearing it on my feed. Yung, ano yan? I don't wanna tiptoe, but I don't wanna hide. Yun, yung part na yun. Tapos yung, I don't know if that's We Can Be Friends. Probably it is, anyways. I haven't listened to all of it. What Anukol correspond to? Is that for the pants? Kasi we have pants na has like our color and then an animal. Wait, I forgot kung ano yung nasa pants ko. Is mine a bunny? Teka lang. Hala, hindi ko kabisado yung nasa damit ko. De, sorry guys. Because we have an outfit sa EK na new jeans. Like that. Pero yung pants kasi namin, favorite color namin, tapos animal. Hindi ko na maalala kung anong animal yung nasa pants ko. Anyways, I'm sorry. I think it's a bunny. Sana next year nandun ka habang mag-future from sa EK. Probably, I'll still be. Oh wow, so many people are joining. Hi! Waiting sa next post mo. Oh, you know, every time I'm trying to do a TikTok, nalulubat ako, tapos nag-off yung cellphone ko. So, sorry naman. Di ko kasi mapigilan na mag-cellphone usually. Tapos, tinatimingan ako ng cellphone ko, It's really timing. I'm sorry, see you soon at EK. Oh, I hope to see you guys soon at EK. Kasi mag-EK, guys. Pinaka-ma-recommend ko sa inyo na ride. Wait. I stand SMS. Yes, that's right. You should stand SMS. You miss Aya. I do. I miss her. We messaged each other the other day, but it's really short. Pero nag-message naman siya. I love you guys too. I love you guys. No. Hindi kasi yung charger ko, hindi siya like, ang tawag dito, hindi ko siya masaksak ng maayos sa power bank. Or, paano ba yun? How to explain it? Parang, iba yung cable ko. Yata, iba yung cable ko. Do the easy. This one. Yun. Di ko kabisado yung, I'm sorry guys, di ko kabisado yung easy. Yung smart, hindi ko yun expect na magpo-post ako ng ganon. Anyways. The churros are my favorite. Churros ang favorite ko sa EK. Super recommend ko. Sorry. Ang random. Oh my gosh. But I love their churros. EK has such good churros. If you have not tried their churros, I swear it is so good. Like, you will not regret buying it. I don't know if you guys like churros. If you like churros, man, you have to buy it. It's really good. It's especially churros. Diba? It's so good! So good. It's amazing. I miss watching it, EK. You guys should come back. You should go back. Hi, Tina. Top 5 EK rides. Oh, wait. It's my favorite question. Thank you for asking that. I think, a joke. Diba there's a trend like that dati? Oh, yeah, there is. What is my favorite? Top 5. Log Jam. Disco Magic. Would I put Twin Spin? No, wait. Twin Spin. wait. No, I haven't done Anchors Oine. Extreme Tower. Did I say Extreme Tower already? No, wait. Log Jam. Wait. Rewind. In order. Disco Magic. Extreme Tower. Log Jam. Wait. Air Race ba? Air Race? I feel like Air Race would be last and then Log Jam and then yung first ko is Space Shuttle. Guys, ang ganda ng Space Shuttle. If mahilig kayo sa extreme ride, super recommend ko yung Extreme Tower. Oh my God! I'm sorry, y'all. Space Shuttle. I would recommend Space Shuttle. Hi, Lee_Damn_Lee. Hi. Let's just talk to Dodgem. I'm sorry, I'm not a big fan of Dodgem. I really don't. I don't know. I mean, or sadyang hindi lang talaga ako mahilig sa bumper cars. Good night. Huwag ka naman matulog sa labas ng bahay. Pero good night. Good night. Pero huwag ka matulog sa labas ng bahay. What water ride do you recommend? Sa EK, Log Jam. It is so good. Log Jam is amazing. I'm telling you. Like, especially if you want to do it like with friends. Ayoko kasi sa harapan ng Log Jam. Kasi the last time we did that, nasa gitna ako anyways, pero yeah. Where I'm up 15, 16. Extreme Tower and Twin Spin are the two I would recommend if you're like, pag halimbawa, you're just starting out pa lang. Kung gusto mong mabigla yung kaluluwa mo, mag-Extreme Tower ka. Yun ang sasabihin ko talaga. Om G nag-level. I had to. Just miss you guys. After watching your EK Vice, nakita ko yun. Thank you. Thank you so much. Pag na-good luck sa amin. Mag-review ka. Good luck. Please review, guys. If you don't review, I will be sad, okay? Good luck. Good luck, guys. Recommend ko na ride sa EK Space Shuttle. Top tier. Kailangan yung mag-space shuttle bago kayo umuwi. May ganun eh. Bago kayo umuwi, yun dapat. Ganun lang yun. Why did you hit your head? Bakit? Uy, ang layo ha? Oh my god, why is there a filter? Oh my god, wait a minute. Okay, I clicked something. I'm sorry. Meron palang napipindot na filter sa gilid. Sorry naman. Okay na. Joke. Review while watching. Oh, you should focus on reviewing. You need to review properly. If you don't review properly, property? Huh? Sorry, properly. Guys, wait, nabubulol ako, bawal yan. Sorry. Natanggal kaluluwa ko sa space shuttle. Extreme Tower. Yes, that too. Extreme Tower is really good. So good. I super recommend. Wait, good luck. Good luck. Kaya niyan. Hi. How do you study quarterly exam? What? You should review! Oh my god. You need to review. Reviewing is important. Note, huwag kayo masyadong aasa sa prayer. I mean, it's okay kung mag-pray kayo, pero huwag niyo masyadong iaasa sa prayer. Hindi siya masyado nagana. Though I mean, at least may blessing kayo kay Lord, syempre. All my respect. But, I mean, syempre, guys, review properly. Kasi, I mean, kahit anong wish nyo, kahit anong manifestation nyo, if you don't understand the lesson, if you don't have any idea of what it would be, kawawa pa din kayo kung ganon. Sorry. Guys, mag-aral lang talaga kayo. Kung tinatamad kayo mag-aral, at least get the concept na lang. Or try to... Kasi usually pag exam identification, matching type, ganon. Pero just have... Don't just pray, people. The praying part is hard to do, okay? Hindi kompletong experience pag di na ako na nasa nest. Tama! That's right. May ganun eh. Tama. It's time to advertise. Nag-stock knowledge. I can't do that. Hindi ko kaya yan. Kasi yung stock knowledge ko, ganyan lang. Depende sa subject. I joke, hindi yung depende sa subject. Sa lahat ng subject, ganun ako. Hindi ko kaya yun. Kahit anong ipagpilit ko sa sarili ko na mag-stock knowledge ako, kahit tinatamad ako, hindi ko magawa. Kahit man lang, I'll say, give me like 2 hours to review. Actually, this quarterly, medyo, hindi ko kung bakit. Medyo, naging masipag ako ng onte na mag-review. Pero yeah, I had no choice. Over ilan yan? 46, 84, 88. Sana all. Guys, sana all. Shout out, Fatima. Hi, Fatima. I'm in the 9th grade po. Would you be proud kung nag-take ako ng exam studying? That's blessing. That is blessing. I would be happy, but that is blessing. Over 50. Woo! Okay, so it's sana all. Okay. Ikaw na. Okay na. Amen. Good job. Sana mataas ang grades. Sakto lang naman yung grades ko. It's okay. Hindi naman ako Basta. I usually get upset kapag hindi ko nagugustuhan yung scores ko. I don't know, cause I feel like, kasi yung nangyayari sa akin parang ina-expect ko, or dapat it's expected of, ina-expect ko sa sarili ko na dapat makakakuha ko ng gantong grade. But yeah. Yeah, I know Ashley has this kind of toy. It's cute. Guys, ang cute ng penguin. Kaso kasi, alam mo penguin eh. Okay lang naman si Mr. Penguin. Shout out to, Azelia. Did I say that properly? Probably I did, but yeah. Kasing cute. Wow! Wow! Wag! 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 Review! Oh my gosh. I know, Atiana has one like this as well. Ganda mo. Thank you. Thank you so much. When we meet each other, we'll try to post na lang. Are there new plushies at Miniso? Wait! Kanina nasa Miniso ko. May nakita ko yung parang strawberry ba yun na parang drink. Pero ganito siya kalaki yata. But it's like a plushie then. But it was really cute.
I don't know. Somebody just gave this to me. I forgot who. Hindi ko maalala kung sino. But yeah. Pero talaga, yung nag-iisang plushie na yun na hindi ko nabili ngayon, nalulungkot ako. Kinalulungkot ko talaga yun. Kung may bit-bit lang akong pera kanina, binili ko na. Ginanon ko na. Kasi hawak-hawak ko na siya kanina eh. Pagkalingon ko sa Miniso, pumasok agad ako, tapos kinuha ko. Guys, yung Tagalog ko, na. It's declining. It's not good today. Anyways, good luck. Good luck. Kaya niya yan. Hello. Sorry, binabasa ko lang yung comments niyo. Hi, Lance. Miss ko na kayo. Bagay sila naka-glasses. Thank you. I don't like wearing glasses in school pag minsan. Alam niyo, depende sa mood yung pagsuot ko ng glasses. Usually, pag nagla-live ako, nakasalamin na talaga ako. I feel like it's tradition. Favorite clothing brand? Let me think. Shein. I'm sorry, Shein is really good. Shein has such good clothes. But it's the way that you style it on yourself. It's what makes it look good. Guys, I don't have that much clothes from Shein right now. I have the sufficient amount of clothes. Thank you, Lance. I have the sufficient amount of clothes from Shein. But, I mean, ang dami ko pang gustong bilhin sa Shein na nasa cart ko lang. Shein and Zara. I haven't tried clothes. Have I tried clothes from Zara? I think I have a few clothes, but I don't have a lot of clothes from Zara. Sponsor by Shein. Ay, gusto ko ma-sponsor sa Shein. Feeling ko, iyak ako pag na-sponsor ako ng Shein. Malapit na kuhanan ng card namin, kinakabahan na ako. Ayoko yan. Yan ang ayoko. Ayoko makita yung card ko. But, here's the thing. When you see your card, and then like it's a good score, you'll have something to say. You'll be like, oh, look at that card. I did not do good on this one part. Look at my score. I did that nung first quarter. Mataas naman yung kinalabasan ng grade ko. Or I did that last year then. Sa card lang ako sa pagwitsan. Para lang masabi kong, okay, so it didn't have that much of an impact. Uy, grabe naman kayo. Namamansin naman ako. Hindi ko lang mababanggit yung pangalan. But me and the card, no, me and exams, hindi kami friends ng exam. Hindi naman talaga, pero alam mo yun, basta, yeah, basta yun. Thank you. May ganun, thank you na lang. I didn't see, wait, I need to scroll up. I did not go to the Shein Papa. I know, Nona did. I think she went, but I did not. No, you're not blind, I really did not go. I'm sorry, I really didn't go. But I want to go there. I don't know if they still have it now. Gusto ko magkaroon ng store sa kahit anong mall ang Shein. Kasi puro pop-up na lang tas online nakakaiyak. Hi, ate. Sa attention. Pwede sa mga akong pic with you. So pretty ate. Thank you. Thank you so much, may bago. I heard that. May bagong virus. No, hindi pwedeng mangyari yan. Guys, stay safe. Drink your water. Eat or drink your vitamins. See, I always say that. But anyways, you need to. Because I don't want another lockdown. Guys, alam ko namang ayaw nyo ng lockdown. I can't. Ayoko na. Ayoko na ng lockdown. Hindi ko kakayanin. Just imagine it'll be another year of that. Hindi talaga pwede. Hindi pwede. POV graduating ka. Next year graduating. Tama. Next year graduating kami. May ganun. May ganun. Oh, ano. Sorry guys, I needed to have time to reflect on that. Knock on wood. Wait, there's no wood. Wait! Wala akong wood sa tabi ko, guys. Sorry, wala akong wood. Oh wait, joke, that's wood. Ha! There's wood right down here. Sa cabinet. Yeah, let's pray. Let us pray na sana wala nang lockdown. Kasi ayoko talaga. I'm gonna perform stage tomorrow. Good luck! I hope you do good. Well, I know you'll do good. Basta kaya niyo yan. Alam ko naman kaya niyo yan. Hi, and... Wait! Hindi ko alam kung paano sabihin yan. Antoinette? I'm sorry, y'all, if I said that wrong. Okay, magulat pag mali yung sinabi ko, ah. Wait. Oh my god, the chat is going so quick. I want to hug it someone. I'll hug you virtually. You wanna hug virtually? Okay na yung virtually muna. Good luck sa exam. Ang daming may exam ngayon, ha? Ang daming may exam. I don't like... Actually, share ko lang. This is not... I don't know if you'll be, ano. Oh, sorry, I did not answer that question. Yeah, I'm Italian, American, and Filipino. But yeah, I don't like taking exams, like, at the start of the week. Gusto ko... Okay lang sa akin yung kalagitnaan ng week. Wag lang yung sa... start ng week kasi feeling ko pangit ka bonding. Ayoko din yung parang, wait, dati may ganun eh. Yung ano, nag-a-add sila ng extra day, like, let's say the exam starts on Thursday, and then like, it ends on Saturday, or if it's Thursday, Friday, and then another week, may exam pa din. Hindi ko gusto yon. Gusto ko yung tuloy-tuloy na siya, para pagdating ng weekend, wala ka nang iisipin. Okay yun sa akin eh, basta wag yung ano. Ay, Marco. You're here. Pero feel ko duman lang yan. Hi. Ang hirap sa acknowledgement. Stop. Walang knowledge. Nako, you just have to, ano lang, just understand the lesson. That's it. Really understand the lesson. Because the thing is, like, what do you call this? Kahit anong, Whoa. Hello. Bakit ka nandito? Joke lang, okay lang yan. How are you po? Idol ko yan eh. I just can si Marco eh. Ba't parang magaling ka mag-advise? Oh my God, guys! Kung alam niyo lang dati, naging therapist na ako. Therapist na ako dati. Kahit ano... Oh my God, I used to say so many things dati, like parang encouragement or camerate. Oh my God, Kumu days! Kumu, there was this one time na I kept... What do you call this? Oh, okay. Hala! Kinaba... Hala! Inaccept ko na. Wait lang, guys. Commercial break. Ayun! Hala siya! Hala. Ay, si Charlie! Yun ba?
Ano yung talent na yan?
Just like...
Hi po.
Hi po.
Gusto ko lang po sana manghingi ng advice.
Bawal.
Kasi, parang
Ay!
taping.
Joke lang.
Manghingi lang po sana ako ng advice kasi, parang medyo marami po akong pinagdadaanan sa buhay ngayon. Parang, alam mo yun, parang sometimes, kasi, I was born at a very young age. And, minsan, kasi, mahirap kasi,
Pa-advice.
kailangan ko lang tanggapin yung acceptance. Hindi ko na talaga kaya.
Advice din. It's going ganun pa. Oh my God. May pa-advice pa dapat na naman. Emote pa more. Oh my God. Uy, naglalag ba ako or sila yung naglalag? This is very bad. Why? First time to. Kinakailangan nila ng advice. Nawala sila. Wala. Basta guys, alam niyo na yun. Hindi ko in-expect yan, ha? Hindi ko in-expect yan. Ah! Wala, guys. Magko-commercial break daw muna sila. Commercial break muna. Ako? Oh my God, man! Oh. Sila pala. Okay. That is scary. Bakit ako yung naglalag? Kasi gumagana pa yung chat sa akin. Kung magbibigay ng sige. dapat sila talaga nagbibigay ng advice, hindi ako. Dapat sila talaga. Hey, am I the one lagging? Or is it them? Wait, kasi kinakabahan tuloy ako. Hello po. Oh nga pala. Mine? Is it mine? Oh no. Wait, I'm scared tuloy. Ako ba? Napapressure tuloy ako. Ako? Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Oh. Wow, grabe na to ah. Sila. Okay. Grabe. And this is crazy. Wait a minute. Hi. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, I'm not lagging. Okay. That is less concerning. So, Ashley mo yun. Oh my gosh. This is scary. Okay.
Dok, ba't mo kami kinik out? Ganun po ba kalala yung kailangan namin para i-kick out?
Uy! Ay, hindi!
Wala.
Magbabayad naman po kami.
Kailangan ko po ng advice para sa mga na-kick out. Advice.
Dapat naman ako sa
Marco, take over. Join daw si Marco. Bye-bye.
Okay. Di pa naalis yun. Feeling ko ayun. Okay, there's a problem. Ang dami bigla nag-join! Na-pressure ko na ako. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the impact of Ashko. Support Ashko for better life. Support. Wait lang, masyado talaga ako nabigla sa mga pangyayari. Wait, now, so am I still lagging? Ay, wait ba to? Nagulat ako ah. Grabe na po yan. Anyways, dapat talaga sila nagbibigay ng advice. So guys, mamaya pag nag-join sila, magtanong lang kayo. Baka malay nyo, magbigay sila ng advice sa buhay nyo. Wow! Ganun. What? Am I still lagging? Oh wait, that's scary. Natatakot tuloy ako. Huwag kayong ganyan. Sana hindi ako naglalag. Okay. I don't know, I feel like they're lagging. So guys, basta, ayun. Thank you sa kanilang dalawa kasi sumali sila. Thank you for taking time out of your day, Teams Doc. You're welcome po. Balik na lang po kayo for another session. Wow, my God! Balik na lang po kayo. At, ayun. Basta, mag-ingat lang po kayo dyan. Wow, may ganun eh. Mag-ingat lang. Hindi nag-laging parang blurry. Ay! Oh my gosh! Wait, that's sad. Let's not make that happen, please. Tell me if it's okay now. Please tell me it's okay. Kaya nga eh. That's their impact. That's their impact. It's blurred. Wait a minute. Okay, now. Somebody tell me if it's okay now. Scary. This is very stressful. This is very OMG. Ganon. OMG lang. Ngayon okay na. Is it okay now? Blurred pa! Guys, it's a sign. Baka humina na din yung signal ko. I'm sad. That's very saddening. Blurred pa din. Wala na. Nalulungkot na ako. Yes. pagkasama ko sila ata ngayon. Saan si Ashley? Hindi ko din po alam. They didn't tell me. Wow! Nagalag ba? I'm sad. Oh, kaya natin to. Wow! It is still lagging. But you guys can hear me, right? You can still hear me. I'm not lagging, but you can hear me. Hi. I turned it off and I turned it back on. Okay. 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 It's okay. It's blurred. Wala na tayong magagawa eh. Blurred na talaga. Good luck po sa exam. Guys, wala na po sila. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. Hi, wait. Bye, Shy. Okay. Good luck. Good luck po, Moon. Oh, I also like that. The meaning of my name is Moon. Wala lang, share ko lang. Ang cute naman nun. Wala, guys. Baka mahina yung signal sa kanila. Kaya, ayun. They had to, ano. Yee! Cute nyo naman. Cute nyo naman. See you next live. Sa iba dyan na Guys, review. Review. Mag-review kayo. Pag di kayo nag-review, malulungkot talaga ako sa inyo. You need to review. Okay. Wala lang. Ako lang din po. My parents are in the other room. But me and Mr. Penguin are together. Ayun. So guys, we have witnessed the impact of Ashley and Marco. Ayun. Please, mag-aral kayo. You need to review. You'll be sad if you don't review. Shout out to VKTNCL. Oh, shout out. I love you guys. Sana mag-ingat kayo. Good luck, Fatima. Ayun. Ay! Grabe! Good luck, Aji. Inako mo ba yung flash? Hindi naman. Don't be like that. Yes! Mag-ingat din kayo. You guys should also stay safe. Sige na, please. Wait, guys. I'm sorry. We need to review na talaga. Ano name ng penguin mo? His name is Mr. Penguin. Don't forget, guys, to do what makes you happy, okay? Whatever makes your heart happy, whatever makes you happy, just do it. Okay? Just do it, Nike. Nike. Yes. Basta, sa ikakasaya niyo naman yan eh. But then, ayun. Mag-review. Wow! Why? Okay, this. Do you want one? I have a lot. There's a boba right there. Good luck! Kaya na yan. I know you can do it. Shout out to Aki. Wait, there are so many names. Oh my god, it's still blurry. Sorry. Sorry, it's very blurry. Shout out to Ash Cornetto. Isn't Cornetto an ice? Is there an ice cream na Cornetto or no? Meron ba? Parang wala naman. Ate ko. Hi. Ang dami ate pa niya. Guys, kinokolek ko talaga yan. Hindi pa yan sapat para sa akin, ha? Gusto ko pa talaga ng plushie. Ang ganda mo pa rin kaya. Oh my god, it's still blurry! Seriously? Oh my gosh. I'm so very sad. You're so pretty, OMG. Me? Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm very Guys, I'm so sad. sad. Ang gandang pote ko. Thank you. Thank you so much. Partida dyan, napaka-straight na ng hair ko ngayon, ha? Napakaganda. Thank you. Mas maganda si Ashley. May ganun eh. Iyak na ako dito. Huwag kang iiyak! Do not cry. Is your name Angel? Hi. Huwag ka na mag-sad. Don't be sad na. Ganda niyo po talaga sobra. Thank you guys. Everybody's pretty in their own way. You're not lagging, it's just blurry. Aww! Stuffed toys ko. Yes! I love stuffed toys. I feel like stuffed toys is my comfort. This is my comfort. This. Like, kapag wala kung hindi unan, plushy. I hope you guys can still see me kahit blurry. Because if you can't see me, if it's blurry, I'm really gonna be sad. Ah! Wow! Sorry. Kasi blurry. May pang ilang on cam ko na yan, ha? Grabe na yan. Okay. Of course, kita ka na. Okay. The important thing is you guys can see me just a little bit. Wait. The chat is going so very quick. Wait a minute. Wait lang. Stop the car. Shout out to Ash Z. Wow, grabe! Sorry naman. What if isip, grabe na yung nangyari kasi sa live na to. Should I save it? Selena, mag-confess na ako sa crush ko. Wow! Good luck po. Good luck. Kaya niyo yan. Kaya niyo po yan. Happy confessing. Wow, may ganun. Wait. Can make PH. Wait, is that actually can make? Hi! Hi, Ray. I miss you. My hair. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I saw that. I saw your post. I think I liked it. If I did not like it, I'm so sorry if I did not like it. But I think I did. Okay, I will. Your wish is my command. Tapos makikita ko kung paano yung blurred ng video. Okay, that's fine. Oh my gosh. Nakita ka pa naman. Sige na guys, okay na yan. Oh, okay na yan. Ganda niyo. Hi! Ako. You're so energetic. I am. Grabe. Pag minsan lang naman akong energetic. Taking risks can give you chances. Not taking risks will just leave you with unanswered questions about relations. Grabe na kayo! Totoo naman yan. But I mean, the thing is, depende naman sa yun kung willing kang mag-take ng ganong klaseng risk. I mean, depende naman sa'yo. Actually, depende sa situation yung risk na gusto mong i-take. But syempre, you have to think of the situation mo na kung talagang worth it ba yung pagka-risk mo. I mean, for me, okay lang naman na parang hindi ko muna i-take yung risk na yun or something. Kasi syempre, what if yung results na yun is hindi mo, alam mo yun, you'll regret it naman din. Eh di sayang naman din yung pag-risk mo. So it's better to wait, and reflect. Wow! Wait and reflect! Oh my God! It's better to think about it. Because, I mean, ikaw naman din yung mag-aano naman sa choice mong yun eh. Kung talagang you're happy with the choice you made or the chance you took naman eh. Wow! May ganun. Isang good luck. Good luck po. Wait and reflect with the day. Yes! Please! Yeah. Always, think. Wow! Always think! Oh my gosh. Pero, I mean, it's normal naman kung mag-overthink ka kung ano yung posibleng mangyayari kung ginawa mo man lang yung mga bagay na yun. Ayan, doon na naman tayo sa ganyang bagay eh. Take a risk or lose the chance. I don't want to be too critical about this. Wait, go back to the question. I lose a chance. Sa mga situation ko in my life, I would say take the risk. Wow! I mean, kasi yung for me kasi madami nang nagbubukas na opportunity para sa akin, especially this year. So, I mean, it's better naman din if if I try to take that kind of risk. Kasi, yung mga risk naman na gusto kong i-take naman this year is I'm sure naman, hindi ko siya i-regret. Tama naman, di ba? Oh, ganun. So I would say for now, in this situation that I have right now, I would say probably I would take the risk. Pero may mga bagay na hindi mo na pwedeng i-risk. May mga bagay. Oh, sorry, y'all. Tapos too noisy, but still. May mga bagay na pwedeng i-risk in my life right now. But there are also things na parang kailangan ko syempre hinay. But you know, I mean, there will always be a right timing for everything. I'm telling you, always the right timing yan. Wow! Ang ganda. Di ko din po alam. Ingat din kayo. It's always the right timing. That's what I'm telling you. But for now, syempre, take the risk. Because why not? Tsaka alam ko naman, I'll be happy naman with the risk I take naman. Especially with the places I'm about to go to this year. Siyempre, very, very much. Hello. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to scroll up the chat. I'm trying to say hi to everybody. Of course naman, maganda siya. Siyempre naman. Congratulations. Yes, thank you. If you guys don't know, I am going to the US this year. Pupunta kami sa New York kasi na-accept ako sa Joffrey Ballet. If you don't know what Joffrey is, it's a school sa US. If you guys watch Dance Moms, si Chloe Locasiak, natanggap siya sa Joffrey Ballet. Kasi lahat sila sa Dance Moms nag-audition doon. Tapos nakuha si Chloe for ballet. So, talagang nilalaman ko may ganong opportunity. Siyempre, I did not hesitate. Kinuha ko. So, I'm very thankful na napagbigyan ako ng ganitong opportunity. And I'm thankful that my parents allowed me to go to the US. And this is my first time going to the US. Kasi never akong nakapunta sa US kahit American citizen ako. So, yeah, I'm super happy. And I'm so grateful that God gave me this opportunity. Good night! Good night. Please sleep well. Sa mga may exam, please! Mag-aral naman kayo, guys. Mag-aral. Malulungkot ako pag di kayo nag-aral. Pasak sa math. Congrats. Math, I'm telling you, the best thing in your life is kapag pumasa ka sa math, okay na yung buhay mo. For me, I feel like I'm a winner kapag pumasa na ako sa math. Uy, bakit yun yung marinig? Bakit walang sound? Oh my God! Wait, stop. Wait. Ito naman ako eh. No! Teka lang. Good night, everyone. Good night sa inyo. Oh my God, ang hirap ko na lang. Can you guys still hear me? Wait, this is so bad. Can you all still hear me? Please tell me if you can hear me. Because in-overthink ko tuloy ito. Good night. Okay. Oh my God, bakit huwag niyo ko ipag-overthink na ganyan? Ang cute naman siya. I know, so cute. Good luck, Ash Shars. Good luck. Okay lang, okay. I miss you a lot as well. How are you? I'm okay. I'm okay naman. Wait, let's do a quick recap of March because March is almost over. Lord, okay na nga. Guys, wala na ako talaga akong magagawa. Nalulungkot na ako sa pagka-blur niya. Pero wala na akong magagawa. I feel sad. I'll save it na lang. Wait. What if I'm not happy with how I look? when I post the live. Anyways, that's okay. As long as you guys are happy. May problems sa phone ko. No, I hope you fix a problem with your phone. Wait, nasan mom mo? She's in the other room. I think she's also watching. Shout out to my mom because I love my mom. Good luck. Ang dami talagang may exam, ha? Good luck. I love you so much. Mag-ingat kayo. Ano pinakamagandang nangyari sa araw mo today? Hoy! I guess I got to spend time with my mom. We got to play tennis. My mom, I did not know she was that good at tennis. Cause she told me we were gonna play tennis. But I mean, I didn't expect that she would be that good. Yeah. Hanggang Wednesday kasi. I don't know what's OJT, but good luck na lang po sa inyo. Sorry. I'm really uneducated on that part. I'm sorry naman. Si Sab ba to? Hi, Sab. Shout out to Irish. Ang haba na pala ng live nito. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I didn't expect my mom to be good at tennis. I really think okay na sa akin yung volleyball. Okay na yan. Sino pinaka-close mo sa SMS? I feel like I'm close with everybody naman. But either Ate Yana or Ate Ian. Or Nina, sorry, because we prefer pala to first Nina. But yeah, I would say Ate Nina or Ate Yana. Ate Yana is really like the sister. Is really. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know that. But good luck. Good luck po. Yeah, Ate Yana because she's really my older sister.
Super older sister. Usually, pag pumupunta kami sa mga concert, siya usually yung companion ko kapag ayaw ni mama na pumunta or something. Kasi syempre the line is long. Which is what I mean. Batang ganda mo. Hindi ko din alam. Okay. Sakto lang naman. Sakto lang naman tsura ko, guys. Oh my god, now my hair is okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I had to notice that for once. Fan ka po ba ng Ashko? Of course I am. I support Ashko. I'm happy for them. So guys, of course, don't forget to support everybody na nasa Sparkle Teens. Because madami naman kami syempre i-offer sa inyo. Favorite subject? I don't have a favorite subject. Nada. No. But English, because it's my favorite. It's the language I normally speak. But, you know, really English because I feel like English makes my life better. Tips para makapasa sa exam. Aside from praying, please learn your lessons. As in, read it. Read it. Always. I will save this live because a lot of people are telling me to save the live. So I will, don't worry. Yes, I will. Don't worry po. I will. But ayun, for exams, just try to wait, just understand the lesson. I feel like if you understand the lesson, kahit maintindihan mo lang, especially if it's multiple choice, you'll have an answer. Or sometimes kasi it's common sense na naman din. You just need to analyze it. That is so important when you're taking an exam. And then guys, read the question. I mean, read the mechanics or the rules before you take the exam. Oh my god, I made that mistake. I made that mistake once. Let's just say it did not end well for me. Pero, past is past. Huwag na natin, may ganun eh. You wanna heart my voice. Thank you. Thank you na lang. What's the favorite of the English? Ay! Hindi po yung totoo. Math broke my grades. For me, math broke my grades. CL kasi, okay lang. But yeah. Ayun. perfect mo yung match. Shout out naman dyan. Kate Aguilar. Congrats to you. And also good luck. I think. Because I didn't you tell me you were in the exam or something. What do you... What? I like that question. Do you... Oh my god. Sorry. Do you like... Oh, do you prefer flowers or letters? Wait. I don't know what to answer there. Flowers, if it's Lego or crocheted, because those kinds of things, I am so willing to. I have Lego flowers. Wait, it's over there. I have Lego flowers over there on my cabinet that my friends gave to me, and I built them. I love Legos. I feel like gusto ko ulit maging into Legos, but also crocheted. Tapos imagine it's your favorite flower pa, and then somebody gave you crocheted flowers. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. I feel like crocheted flowers and letters. Yeah. And then, or it's either that or a plushie. That is prestige in my heart, man. It's so amazing. But letters, kasi, I want letters na handwritten. I feel like handwritten letters are really more straight from the heart. Imbes na tinatype mo. Kasi, I mean, I don't know. I feel like it's so much better when you write it down because then you see the handwriting and you see how genuine it really is. If that makes sense with everybody. I'm sorry if what I explained is really confusing. But when you write it down, it's so much better. That's why I like writing letters or anything. But because it's really fun. And it always feels like it comes straight from the heart. And you see the effort. The effort, once you see the effort, it's amen. Basta letters talaga, it's always top tier for me. It's like letters and then blushes and then flowers. But yeah, any effort naman, I'll always do my best to appreciate it. Yes, may lahi. Wait, is lahi and half, like when somebody asks that, is that different? Because I feel like it's almost the same. Probably it's the same. Sino bias mo sa Bini? Wait! Oh, I do not think so. Mika? Oh my, Mika is so poganda. I'm telling you, she's so poganda. Her or no. Tama, her or Maloy. Yeah. Even the handwriting is hindi maganda doon talaga. Talaga makikita yung efforts. Diba? That's the point. That's why letters are so amazing. And I keep a lot of the letters. Those kasi forgot or put them, but letters are so amazing. So amazing. K-pop. Oh, and Hypen's number one. And Hypen's number one in my list. Hypen, ITZY, IVE, the Seraphim. Wait, oh wow. Hindi ko na maalala. New Jeans. Wait, I'm trying to look at the albums I have. Kepler. Did Kepler disband already? Hindi ko na alam kung nag-disband yung Kepler, pero nalulungkot ako pag nag-disband yung Kepler. Nalulungkot ako forever. Because I know they only had like a contract for a certain amount of time, but then I'm not sure if it's already done. Sayang kasi they didn't reach their top peak. Oh, you know what else? Wait, now I remember. Kiss of Life. Guys, ang galing nila. Ang galing ng Kiss of Life. And also, is it Eunice? Yung kay Alicia pati kay Jerry Danka. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of them. I know Lee is friends with Alicia. Okay. Well, kayo na friends. May ganun. Sana all. But yeah, when I watched the show, it was really, really good. Pati yung what song was that? Yung Korean na na ginawa ni Jelly. Yung naka-green siya. I forgot the song. But when that came out, I kept listening to it. I have not seen Friendset. I want to see them though. Lumalabas sila sa feed ko often. Sila. Fave Musa and Hypen. Heesung is my favorite. But if you guys see my repost on TikTok, I am so sorry. Kasi ang dami kong nire-repost sa main account ko na ENHYPEN. If it's not ENHYPEN, it's Leve. If it's not Leve, it's other K-pop groups. But really, ang dami kong nire-repost. I feel sorry, guys. Basta yun, sorry na talaga. Pag apakadami ko nire-repost. Sorry naman. Tsaka when I look at my notifications sa TikTok, like sila puro heart your repost. So sorry. I know it's all on Hypen. Because I love them too much. My love for them is overflowing. May fan meet sila sa May. When does the ticket start? Kung meron man nakakaalam sa inyo, please tell me. Kasi gusto ko na talaga bumili ng ticket kasi ayoko ma-sold out. Pag talaga ako na-sold out ng tickets dyan sa bench na yan, I will cry. I will cry. Bye. Can you have a good luck? Good luck po. Good luck. Kaya niyo yan. They left early. They left early. Review po ako tapos okay. Wow! Guys, you need to review! Wala kayo asa sa prayer! Please! I have classmates
And other people from other sections say just rely on prayer. Guys, please lang. Hindi ko talaga kaya yun sa loob-loob ko. Alam ko pag minsan sinasabi ko, bahala na. But really, hindi talaga siya bahala na. Basta yun, I have that thing within me na dapat alam ko. Pag nag-exam ako, actually, I get very stressed kapag hindi ko alam yung sagot. Kasi ang nangyayari sa akin, kapag hindi ko alam yung sagot, babalikan ko na lang. Pero pag tapos ko na lahat ng questions, hindi ko pa rin alam yung sagot, masyado akong na-overwhelm, masyado akong na-pressure. Oh, we did sa exam
namin nung quarterly, nung math. Apakatagal ko. Kasi, wait, sorry guys, this is a story time. But still, it's really funny kasi we started mga 9:40 or 10 o'clock. And I finished at 12. 12 na, hindi pa ako tapos. Tapos naalala ko, masyado na akong nasa-stress na parang hindi ko na alam yung sagot. Anyways, it was still worth it.
worth it pa naman siya kasi hindi ako bumagsak. Pero yeah, it's a dedication for me. I love your pronunciation of English. Thank you. We should thank my dad for that. My dad is American. And English is my first language naman talaga. So, actually, I just wanted to share this. But I feel really embarrassed to speak English in school. Sometimes. Kasi it's so awkward. Like, imagine you're the only one trying to speak English and then like everybody's speaking in Tagalog. For me, that's the most... Yeah, kaya pag minsan nahiya tuloy ako magsalita. And then there's also times then, this is very funny, I'm sorry, I really want to share this, but there's also times na parang sinesearch ko pa yung spelling ng Tagalog no. Kasi hindi ko alam talaga kung ano yung spelling ng maayos or something. Kasi pag minsan, eme na lang yung nilalagay ko spelling.
Mabuti pa may intindihan pa nga ako ng mga kaibigan ko kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko. Yeah, I love my friends. Sorry, super random na, pero it's really true. But yeah, I'm in the 9th grade po. Can I have the penguin? Wait, I have another penguin. Because I can't give this out. I feel like out of all my plushies, yung penguin yung hindi ko kayang ibigay. Take everything else off the penguin. This. No. I will cry. Yeah, it's awkward. You don't know to communicate with them. Diba? And it's so awkward kasi everybody around you starts just speaking in Tagalog fluently.
Ako pa naman yung hindi ko pala, wait, nabubulol ako pag minsan sa Tagalog. Kanina nabulol ako eh. Pero, alam mo yun, mas nahirapan talaga ako. But there's also times na parang napaka-fluent ko bigla mag-Tagalog. Oh, I remember dati nung Kumu, I used to speak like so fluent in English that sometimes I would feel bad kasi baka masyado nang overwhelming yung English ko. Kaya guys, kung
bibigla kayo sa pag-English ko pag minsan pasensya na po talaga kayo. I am so sorry. But yeah.
Okay, sorry. Thank you, Mama. Was that Mama? Thank you, Mama. Tapos dumanan yung nanay ko. I'm Catholic. Any tips? Paano magkaroon ng double life? Guys, no, everybody's pretty. Everybody's pretty.
You know what? Kahit ano namang ganda mo, everybody has their own set of insecurities. You just have to wait. I'm gonna say this, but then
I don't apply this to myself. Wait lang. Kailangan yung sasabihin ko is talagang ina-apply ko. How do I say this? I mean, how to be, you don't need to be me. You should be happy that you're yourself. Because, I mean, kahit, even if you try to be like somebody else, they'll still have their own set of insecurities. Hindi naman! Thank you, Mama. I love you, Mom. But yeah, I mean, everybody has their own set of insecurities. Wala ka naman talagang... So, no matter how hard you try to become someone,
you'll still face your own insecurities. Don't change yourself. You don't need to, because you're honestly perfect just the way you are. And eventually, you will find somebody, or if you already have somebody in your life na tinatanggap ka for the way you are, the way you act, the way people see you, how pretty you are originally, that's the people you should look for. Because, I mean, meron naman, everybody's their own flaws. I keep going back to that point, but everybody has their own flaws. I mean, wala kang, there's no need to change. Basta, I love you guys for who you are. Whoa! Whoa! Wait! Bakit may heart? Can you do it again? Never mind, wala na. I like the way you guys are. You just keep being yourself. Own yourself. Well, own yourself! May ganun. Just own whoever you are. Because, I mean, girl, every day you'll face a struggle. Every day you'll feel a certain way. And, I mean, that's up to you kung paano mo talaga siya tatanggapin. Kung paano mo ayusin sarili mo. Di ba po yung true love dadating at the right time? Oh, wow! Yes, of course it does. But, meron ding mga situations na you'll face different set of people, or a different set, like, of a person na you'll like, na maybe in the process, you'll realize talaga na maybe they're not the one for you, or maybe you should still wait. But yes, true love always comes at the right time. But then, don't let that be the reason na parang that would stop you from liking someone, like right now at this time, ganon. Kasi time will make you realize that naman eh. Time will allow you to realize that. Galing mag-advise ka. Hindi po talaga. I just like reading a lot of motivational books. That's why I'm like this. But yeah, it will always come at the right time. You just have to really wait. Although it's hard to wait. But you know, that's the only thing you can do. If you're that
willing to wait, then why not? You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Yes, you guys should review. You know what? I should end the live na talaga, because you all
need to review and you all need sleep. So anyways, guys, ang haba nung nangyari. Ang dami nangyari ngayon.
Anyways, I just want to say good night. And I hope you have a wonderful Holy Week. Wonderful break. Sa mga may exam, mag-aral kayo ng mabuti. Please, okay? And I'm sorry if medyo nag-lag yung live or medyo blurry ako ngayon. But I miss you guys, and I hope I can go live again soon. Just remember to stay pretty, stay gorgeous, stay handsome, stay pogi, stay happy, stay healthy, stay amazing. What else would I want to say? Just, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you sa mga nag-join ng live kahit may gagawin sila or mag-review sila.
Don't forget to do what makes you happy and love yourself, because I love you guys. Okay? Mahal na mahal ko kayo. May ganun, but yeah, I love you guys. Sorry kung medyo yung hair ko is not tearing in the way that I expected it to be. But yeah, I love you guys. But yun, I hope to see you guys very, very soon. I am your regular therapist if you need me. Wow, good Gordon! But yeah, don't be afraid to message me. I'll try my best to message, okay? I'll try my best. And if you guys ever have stories na post nyo, feel free to, because I like liking them naman. Okay? I love you guys. Good night. Sweet dreams. Wait, what else? Wait, I always say this. Eat or drink your vitamins. Drink lots of water. Please take care of yourself. What else? That's it. Okay. Yun lang. Flash reveal. Then, Mr. Penguin says goodbye. Of course, I'm trying my best, guys. Ang bilis kasi ng chat. Ang bilis gumawa ng chat. But anyways, I hope you guys had a lot of fun. Shout out kay Marco Patigasli for stopping by sa aking live. I did not expect that at all. Yes! Mag-ingat din kayo. Have a wonderful Holy Week. Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes. Ayun. Oh, wait lang guys. We have to end this now. Because you guys need sleep. Okay? Bye! Ingat. Okay, we're at the top.